Hi, I'm going to show you this YouTube hack and how I use it to upload my YouTube video without having to think about how to write my title or how to fix my description and going around using so many different AI. So inside the GPT Leads Hunter, I come to Auto SEO and click on SEO search and then just type in my title that I want to use and click on hack YouTube. That is it. So look at this. Now we have so many different video options with their views. So many people talking about the same thing and the video opportunities for one. So I gotta scroll down and here I see cold email open rate, cold email platform, collect emails for email marketing, cold emails, what is the best email service to use, open source and cold email. So let's say, let me see, what did I write? The new cold email tool everyone needs to use. So I'm going to stick to this. And the next thing is generate my title. It's going to give me everything that I need to upload my YouTube video. So I'm going to walk with you right now and upload everything with you so you can see how easy it is. And the tool is so advanced. It gives you mind-blowing titles and descriptions with tags and everything that you need to use. It's now generating. So now look, we have our titles. The new cold email tool everyone needs to use. I replace my outreach stack with this one tool. How I book 10 meetings using this new AI tool. 5 reasons this cold email tool is a game changer. Stop using MailChimp. Try this cold email tool. The $0 cold email tool that books meetings. Wow, these are crazy titles. And the hook. If you are still sending cold emails manually, you are burning money. Let me show you the new tool that just changed the game. I tested every single cold email software on the market, and this new tool absolutely crashed the competition. And that is true. This tool that I'm using is crazy. It's better than instantly, how do we call it, Apollo or whatever. This is better than all of them, and I can show you inside my outreach. And if I go inside my smart leads CRM, you can see the outgoing email campaign that I have currently that are running. But that is not the video for today. So I think now let me go back. Let me go back here. All right. So now I'm going to upload my video. Let me click here, upload. So, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to clean all of this and go to A/B testing. And inside A/B testing, I will select title and thumbnail. Okay, so or let me say title only because I don't have my thumbnail right now, which I'm going to create later. So here when I click on it, it's going to copy it automatically, and then I'll go back my first title and go back 5 reasons this cold email tools is a game changer. Stop using MailChimp. I'll take this one and then I'm gonna paste it here. I'm going back to the tool, copy the third one, paste it. Okay, so now go to set test. All right, now we need our image. I don't have image right now, like I said. And the description, I'm going back to the tool. Let me see what descriptions we have. The new cold email tool everyone needs to use is here. Wow, and it will completely transform how you book meetings. All right, this is crazy. I like this, and I'm just gonna copy description, and then I'll go back and paste my description. This is crazy. So I'm showing you how this tool can help you post all your YouTube videos. I gotta scroll down and change this here. You have to use the HTTPS to make it clickable, you know. So it's going to be gptleadshunter.com. Let me remove the sitemap because I don't have one right now. And that's it. Let me go back. And here we have, let me remove this. We have the tags. Go back to your tool, and here we have the tags. I just click on copy all and go back to YouTube. Just paste it. Sorry about that. You have all your tags. This is crazy. You see what I'm talking about? Very easy. GPT Leads Hunter tool this is a brand new tool, but it's killing it. It makes everything very simple. Very, very simple. And now I'm just gonna scroll down and make this video fast. I don't wanna make the video a long video. And the next thing is to go next and add the subtitle, which I think is not gonna work because of the length of the video. Let me go back and just add end screen. You can select best views, click on save, whatever, save, click on add videos. You can choose any of your videos, you know, and just click on save. Now next, visibility, everything is okay. Next, I'm just going to put this on private and save. That is it. Okay, this is so. Now let's go back to the tool and let's have a look. And it gives you thumbnail that you can use, game changer, stop manual outreach, and book more calls. So this is the YouTube hack. It gives you everything. You just put in your title. It shows you the ranking videos, their title, so you can copy anyone you like and then click on generate. It gives you the title, so many different 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It gives you 6 options. And it gives you the opening hook, it gives you the thumbnails, it gives you the tags, and it gives you the descriptions. Best time to post. It gives you everything that you need. So if I want here, I can just click generate video idea. So it's going to give me different ideas that I want. And let it finish. I'm going to show you another YouTube feature, which is called the YouTube Optimizer. And the YouTube Optimizer is a little bit advanced, but it's also a YouTube feature that will help you automate your YouTube upload, from new ideas to rankings to upload to content and script. Is going to give you everything and make your YouTube video business very, very easy. You don't have to be switching between ChatGPT, cloud, whatever it is. Right now, I'm currently using Olama. This tool is connected with Olama, and I'm using my local AI. The AI sit inside my computer, so I'm not paying for API. I'm not paying for any cost. Everything is local. This content that is generated using my local AI on my machine, I'm not paying for any subscription. I'm not paying for any API. I'm not paying for ChatGPT or Gemini or whatever it is. None of that. Okay, let's go to the YouTube Optimizer and let me show you something. And this is the YouTube Optimizer. So if I go to the YouTube Optimizer and type in the best, or let's see why I switch to the new outreach, or let's see to the new email outreach tool, GPT Leads Hunter. Okay, even though I know this is not something, or I can maybe like, let's see, email outreach campaign example. Let me just run everything. So here is going to, you see it has changed. Email outreach campaign. It's now researching. I can get it can explore video for new ideas, get me a content planner. If this is what I want to write for the entire month, it will get me content planner every day or every week, what I have to post and how, and it's giving me the title ideas, description, tags, hooks, the scripts, and it can audit my channel. This is crazy. So this is what you need. So here we have how to write a cold email outreach. How to write a cold outreach email. Email marketing, avoid spam. Email outreach automation, how to write email. So these are ideas. If I click on Video Explorer, it's going to show me people that are using these titles in their videos. You can see here we have it. Email marketing for beginners, learn email marketing in 39 minutes. So these are all people that are killing it using email marketing. And I can get a content planner. If I click on the content planner, it's going to give me the content plan, and I can use this tool to automate my entire YouTube business or uploads. If you enjoyed this video, GPT Leads Hunter is crazy and killing it. It's going to be soon accessible, available for everybody to try. Thank you for watching, and subscribe in the next video.